daylight, but I can't work any faster. Under the veil of dusk we go on. Don't close your eyes. What if it all disappears in the shadows that reach from the stars? If I held my ground, would you ask me to change? This drought bleeds on and we're dancing for rain. Drink the air, but it's still not the same. These worlds collide, but the distance remains. We point the finger, never accept the blame. And I know, oh, and I know. Let's go! The water's gone, but the fire still rages on here. The men all shrug their shoulders and laughed. We sleep so sound in rooms just up the stairs. Will you save us like you save them? If I held my ground, would you ask me to change?